Hello everyone, I'm Srinivas and welcome to our channel. Today I want to have a conversation about something crucial for success in the modern world, in today's fast-paced world. Formal education is essential, but it's not always enough. We need to equip ourselves with tactical skills that complement our academic knowledge. These skills can give us the edge we need to thrive in our careers and personal lives. That's why we offer a range of courses designed to empower you in various aspects of life. From marketing yourself effectively to influencing others to creating a personal brand that leaves a lasting impression, our courses cover it all. Now, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked: money and its monetization. These skills are not just about getting noticed, they're about building confidence and credibility that attract opportunities. Understanding finances is crucial for leading a successful life. Our courses provide valuable insights into managing money, investing wisely, and leveraging financial opportunities. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or aiming for financial stability, these skills are indispensable. At our institute, we believe that language should never be a barrier to success. That's why we offer support in multiple languages: Telugu, Hindi, and English, ready to take the next step towards a brighter future. Contact us on WhatsApp 9866265893 for further details or to enroll in our courses. Don't wait, start preparing for success today. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it. No matter where you're from or what your background is, we're here to help you develop the internal life success skills